Hi lovelies, I've got a Temu haul today. It's cheap nail art and it's 34 items for £42 plus a few p. Actually came in 2 packages, so I'm going to open them both. I'll start with the big one. And while I open it, let me tell you, if you've not watched a video of mine before where I've told you about it, you might be unaware, but if I can find any scissors. But when you've ordered from Temu, go to all your orders, click on view more details, and then if you go down you'll see a price adjustment type, and you can request a price adjustment, and if the price of what you've bought has come down, they will give it you. So click that you want it straight away and it'll go in as a credit and then it'll build up. So this is £42 because I actually got £7 off all this lot from price adjustments from the previous hauls. So it would have been 50, but it was £42 something. So I've got mostly nail art, but I've also got some other bits for the press-ons. So I'm going to put this down here so you're not hearing all the rattling. Okay, so I've got the first lot out of the bag. So these are just my padded mailers to send press-ons out in. And they're actually bigger. I only wanted them about that big. They're twice the size of what I wanted. But, yeah, they'll come in handy. But that's me. I'm never very good at sizing. I thought I've definitely got the right size there. But I've also tipped a load of other stuff out. So I've got some little, actually the colour on the back of them is nice. I'm going to zoom you in. I got these little like bubbles. So I've got some pink ones and some clear ones. So I thought they're just easier, aren't they? They're really pretty colours. So yeah, clear and pink. I got, oh, some more leaves. Really tiny ones, and then some different green ones, slightly larger. I got some more tabs. You get quite a lot in one package of these. I can't remember if there wasn't 40. Can't remember. But these are the sticky tabs that I put in with the press-ons as well. In this package I got this. Oh, now I wanted this for like rainy days for autumn. I thought it really nice. Oh, if you want any links to anything, just let me know. I'm not going to put all the links in because they're massive links. If anybody knows of a good link shortener that's free, let me know. But I thought this was great with the little couple raindrops in puddles. People with brollies up. I thought that was smashing that for autumn. The little cat there for Julie. Yeah. That's nice. Like that. What's this? Oh, some more leaves in white. And oh, these teeny tiny bows. Because all my bows are a little bit bigger than this, but I thought it might be nice to have a nail that's just covered in bows. Look how tiny they are. Look, I have the smallest little fingernail, and that's one. So yeah, lovely, all in different colours. So they're the smallest I've ever had. If you want some tiny bows, let me know, and I'll find you the links. This one, there are some more stamping plates coming up, so I promise I will do some more nails with stamping on. I've got to enter now. Hearts. And I have tried this brand. I've got a video where I've tried this brand. So I've been trying these plates from Temu. If you've not seen it, go back and have a look. You find it in my list of videos. So yeah, this is hearts because I thought while I'm at it, may as well get them. I've got little envelopes and that for Halloween. Thought that was nice. Now this is a bit different. I've not had this before because I don't do scrapbooking or anything like this. This is called Rhyme of Colourful Clouds, and I just had a thought about it. And it's in the washi tape section that crafters use for sticking around the books and on the pages and in the books and things like that. And I thought, I wonder if I can do nail art with that, because it's sticky, or it's supposed to be sticky. Like I said, I've never bought any before. Look. So let's have a look. So, which way is it there? Oh, it's all right having these on, but they don't work. Yeah, it's definitely that bit. Goodness me, that's how sticky it is. There we are. God, blimey. So, these are individual little stickers stuck on this backing. But I thought, surely I can do nails with it. Just stick them across the corner of a nail. And then cut around it. There. So that's washi tape. So if there's anybody scouting around videos or knows anybody that does buying for Temu, if you could get nail stickers on a roll, that'd be fabulous. I like that. So people that don't get on with transfer foils, but you don't want just... The thing with buying packs of stickers is you end up with one sheet and they're all different, but if you want to repeat the same thing, it's difficult. Whereas these rolls, it's kind of repeated along it. With this one, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different things of flowers. So, but obviously they're big, so you've got to cut them down. But if anybody knows of anything like this where they're tiny, well, not tiny, fingernail size, let me know, because I think they'd be great to just peel them off and stick them on instead of having all them separate sheets. Just me anyway. So anyway, thought that was worth trying. And just top coat over it. Let's see if it comes off now, if I've decided to put it in the wrong place. Not easy to get off. And I can't leave it on there because we're visiting family tomorrow. There we go. Yeah, so that was just a bit different. Right, what have I got next? I've got this, which is a stamping pen. So I thought if you're only doing like little things like just a little butterfly or something, it might be handy. And the top's fell off. Oh, that's nice and tacky. Oh, I think I'm going to like that. And that as well. So just pick up your one thing and... Oh, I think I'm going to like that. It comes with... Oh, there's a little... That's actually plastic, but it's a stamping plate. I wondered what it was when I saw it. So you've got your scraper. And it said stamping plate, but I thought it just meant another scraper, but it's got detail in it, so... That's quite nice. So yeah, I'm happy with that. That's good. Somebody said to me, did I think when I actually managed to succeed with the stamping, whether it was the stamper or whether I just got used to it? And I said, well, a bit of both really, but I ordered another 2 of those. So again, I'm showing you these in a separate video if you want to go back and have a look at that. So I got myself 2. I was going to get different colours, but they only had blue left. So if you want the link, let me know. I've got these to go in with my press-on nails, just as a little freebie thing, because I've got some, they're not bobbles, are they? They're, what you put in your hair? Scrunchies. Oh dear. So I've got some scrunchies and some stickers to go in, but I needed something else little. And I did want to put like little travel size hand creams or cuticle oils or something in, but I'm not sure about sending them abroad. A bit funny, our post. So I'll stick with them. I'll put them in. Oh, I'd already ordered this lot when I, because they were in the second lot, as the first lot. I'd already ordered this little square or rectangular one. So I thought I'd try it. But I'll tell you what's disappointing. It ain't got a top on. Oh, that's a shame. That's a really nice tacky one. And it's got no top. Plus there's no bottom on, which I thought was good. But why hasn't it got a top on it? Oh, I'll have to have a look and see if it's supposed to. I've got some little stickers. So these are, if somebody buys on Etsy, asking if they'd please do a review if they would, because I've only got 2 reviews on there. So thank you for supporting our small business. And I think the rest might be stamping plates. Nearly. But I'll show you the numbers. So yeah, no top on that one either. Oh, pants. Oh well, I'm just going to have to keep putting them back in the packet. I bet they're not bad. Let's see if this plate's different. Yeah, it's not gonna work, is it really? Oh, it's split that one as well anyway. Excellent. Excellent. You don't expect when you get things this cheap that you don't get 1 or 2 things that's a bit yeah. So I think I've fared pretty well so far. Some nice new pointed tweezers. They look like nice quality. Yeah, very, very precision point. Yeah, they're good. So I'll keep that on it, which is good. Right, stamping plates. Just to save you a lot of stress, I'll get all these out of the bag. So to start with cutesy, I've got owls. That is Jintian B025. The numbers of the ones I've just opened was Y020, so that was the hearts. And this one was Y055 for the autumn and rain and stuff. Then I've got Y277, so we've got dolphins and elephants and little palm trees. That's nice, little Maldivian island maybe. Nice. And I've got B027, which is unicorns. Unicorns, flowers, magic wand, things like that. Jinsei Y030, So this is the Christmas again, with a little soldier. The nice Christmas trees. Some of these I know I've doubled up on and I've got them before, but if I come to put them away and I've already got one, then I'll put it in a giveaway box. This is another owl on a branch and loads of flowers. I wanted it for the hot air balloons, this one, I think. I don't know why, but I just fancy doing them. And that tree bark's quite nice. That's that one. That's BO89. Y082. This, I think, I might have already got, because I can remember saying to you I wanted it for the blossom and the dandelions. So, yeah, I think I might have already got that one. And this one, which is Y280. Or is it just that I've looked at it that many times? I don't know. Anyway, if I have, I'll put it in. But I wanted cow print, didn't I? So I've got that. So, baubles. Can somebody please tell me, when is it normal to start putting out the winter and Christmas things? Because I know they've got Christmas in the shops already. And I don't want to peak too early, but I can't wait. My favourite nails to do are the florals, obviously in the summer, and winter and Christmas ones. I love them. So, yeah, baubles. Oh, beautiful. This is a beating heart. Little heart monitor and hearts. Choose one, it says. That's Jinchan Y284. This one is Y041. So this is proper fireworks. So I showed one before, I thought of fireworks, but it wasn't. That's this one. The other one was spludges. So that's that. Y276, I've got two here. Kisses and love and roses, dandelions and little hearts blowing away. That's nice, isn't it? That's that one. This one, snake skin, zebra. And I've got the snake's head and the cheetah, or whatever it is, there. And what's this one? Oh, this was the other one that I wanted for the cow print, but that's at the bottom. There's a nice snakeskin thing down the middle of that. Lovely. So that one, yeah, Y274. This is Y236. This one for the marbling effect. So that would be good. Yeah. And that light sort of water effect there. So that's that. And then this one, oh, again, I saw this one on the list before I saw the other one with all the raindrops on, because I got it for that one, but I thought, what a nice scene, really. Could use a bit of each on your nails. They've got a fairy, make a wish, or wish maker. Nice little tree with the leaves blowing off. Yeah, it's a nice autumn. And again, another little sort of cat lady love theme. Oh, dinosaurs. That's unusual. And under the sea with a shipwreck. And yeah, nice. So I've got loads of them to put away, haven't I? So yeah, let me know if you want any links for anything, and hope you've enjoyed it. I'm going to have some fun playing with this. Yeah. Right. Oh, I could pretty up my bottles anyway. Oh, and my stand. Oh. Right. If anybody knows of this that's the plastic backed, but it's on in arrow, let me know. Right. Thank you for watching, everybody. Take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you've enjoyed it. And if you don't mind, please pop over and have a look on TikTok and Instagram, because my followers are going nowhere on there. I don't know. I know I don't do it very well, but anyway, if you could pop over, that'd be marvellous. I'll see you soon. Love you loads. Take care. Happy shopping. Bye.